Learn English to Gujarati action verbs, intend, follow, implement and
અમલમાં મૂકવું.
welcome, brave language hero. Hey, you are about to learn some powerful English and Gujarati verbs without falling asleep on page 2. And yes, we will make friends with long phrases without needing emergency tea. Today you will learn how to say intend, to strive for, to force, follow, drive forward, implement, and cause in Gujarati. Your star words are
ઇરાદો રાખવો, માટે પ્રયત્ન કરવો, બળજબરી કરવી, પાછળ જવું, આગળ ધપાવવું, અમલમાં મૂકવું,
and.
કારણ બનવું.
Say them with confidence, even if your cat judges your pronunciation. The plan that started everything. Let us begin with a tiny disaster and a big plan. You will hear the words inside a silly story, so they stick in your mind better than chewing gum on a hot sidewalk. One morning, Ravi stood in his kitchen, looked at a burnt piece of toast, and declared,
ઇરાદો રાખવો.
to become organized. This was shocking, because yesterday he could not even organize 3 socks. He also said,
માટે પ્રયત્ન કરવો.
for excellence. His toaster laughed silently. Ravi made a chart called Mission Less Chaos. He wanted to
આગળ ધપાવવું.
his new life, not just dream about it. So he decided to
અમલમાં મૂકવું.
the plan immediately. Step 1. Wake up early. Step 2. Do not argue with bread. Step 3. Drink tea before making important decisions. His dog, Mango, chose to
પાછળ જવું.
him everywhere, including the bathroom, which was supportive but slightly excessive. Meanwhile, Ravi's cousin tried to
બળજબરી કરવી.
a new schedule on him, gym at 5, jogging at 6, smiling at 6:05. Ravi said, please, no heroic suffering before sunrise. Then one small success did.
કારણ બનવું.
Of bigger change, he cleaned one shelf, and suddenly the room looked hopeful. That tiny action became the
કારણ બનવું.
of a very dangerous idea. Maybe adulthood was possible after all. Meet the words clearly. Now you have met the gang in the story. Let us line them up neatly before they run away. Intend equals.
ઇરાદો રાખવો.
Example,
ઇરાદો રાખવો.
to study tonight. To strive for equals.
માટે પ્રયત્ન કરવો.
Example, we.
માટે પ્રયત્ન કરવો.
For success. To force equals.
બળજબરી કરવી.
Example, do not.
બળજબરી કરવી.
Your opinion on others. Follow equals.
પાછળ જવું.
Example, please.
પાછળ જવું.
The guide. Drive forward equals.
આગળ ધપાવવું.
Example, we must.
આગળ ધપાવવું.
The project. Implement equals.
અમલમાં મૂકવું.
Example, we will.
અમલમાં મૂકવું.
The new plan tomorrow. Cause equals.
કારણ બનવું.
Example, heavy rain can.
કારણ બનવું.
Flooding. You may also hear the same cause idea as
કારણ બનવું.
same core meaning, to cause, to become the reason for something. Mini dialogue in a very serious office. Here comes a short dialogue. It is serious because all great language lessons apparently happen near clipboards. Manager, do you
ઇરાદો રાખવો.
to finish the report today? Intern, yes, and I.
માટે પ્રયત્ન કરવો.
For excellence, or at least for fewer spelling disasters. Manager, good, but do not.
બળજબરી કરવી.
Your ideas on the team. Intern, of course, I will.
પાછળ જવું.
The process. Manager, excellent, we need to.
આગળ ધપાવવું.
This project and.
અમલમાં મૂકવું.
The new policy. Intern, understood, and if I press the wrong button, it may.
કારણ બનવું.
Chaos. Manager, correct, so maybe do not touch random buttons for fun. Memory tricks that actually behave. Let us give your memory a few ridiculous pictures. Weird images are wonderful teachers. 4.
ઇરાદો રાખવો.
Imagine yourself pointing at a calendar like a movie hero and whispering, "Tomorrow, I shall be productive." 4.
માટે પ્રયત્ન કરવો.
Picture yourself climbing a mountain made of notebooks while a lazy cat receives a medal for taking one step. 4.
બળજબરી કરવી.
Imagine a tiny ant trying to push an elephant off a chair. The elephant is confused, not impressed. 4.
પાછળ જવું.
Imagine following the smell of mango dessert into the kitchen. Suddenly, language learning feels useful. 4.
આગળ ધપાવવું.
Imagine pushing a giant wheel labeled "Progress up a hill" while shouting motivational slogans at yourself. 4.
અમલમાં મૂકવું.
Imagine stamping a plan with a huge red stamp that says, "No more talking." Do it. 4.
કારણ બનવું.
Imagine one domino knocking down 100 more because one tiny action started everything. Quick practice drill. Your turn. I say the English, you say the Gujarati. If you whisper, that still counts. Mostly. Intend.
ઇરાદો રાખવો.
To strive for.
માટે પ્રયત્ન કરવો.
To force.
બળજબરી કરવી.
Follow.
પાછળ જવું.
Drive forward.
આગળ ધપાવવું.
Implement.
અમલમાં મૂકવું.
Cause.
કારણ બનવું.
Funny quiz time. No pressure. This is a quiz, not a dragon fight. Although if it were a dragon fight, vocabulary would still help. What is Gujarati for intend?
ઇરાદો રાખવો.
What is Gujarati for to strive for?
માટે પ્રયત્ન કરવો.
What is Gujarati for to force?
બળજબરી કરવી.
What is Gujarati for follow?
પાછળ જવું.
What is Gujarati for drive forward?
આગળ ધપાવવું.
What is Gujarati for implement?
અમલમાં મૂકવું.
What is Gujarati for cause?
કારણ બનવું.
Bonus question. Which word sounds like your productivity finally getting serious? Honestly, probably.
અમલમાં મૂકવું.
Your challenge today. Now make the words yours. Tiny actions beat giant intentions wearing fancy shoes. Say one sentence with.
ઇરાદો રાખવો.
For example, I intend to learn Gujarati every day. Say one sentence with.
માટે પ્રયત્ન કરવો.
I strive for improvement, even when my pronunciation does gymnastics. Say one warning with.
બળજબરી કરવી.
Do not force people. Say one direction with.
પાછળ જવું.
Follow me. Say one work sentence with.
આગળ ધપાવવું.
We must drive forward the plan. Say one action sentence with.
અમલમાં મૂકવું.
We will implement the new idea. Say one result sentence with.
કારણ બનવું.
One mistake can cause trouble. Friendly goodbye. Nice work. You made it through a whole chapter, and no furniture had to be pushed uphill. Probably. Thank you for learning with me today. You practiced.
ઇરાદો રાખવો. માટે પ્રયત્ન કરવો. બળજબરી કરવી. પાછળ જવું. આગળ ધપાવવું. અમલમાં મૂકવું.
And.
કારણ બનવું.
Keep practicing out loud, repeat the phrases tomorrow, and use them in your own silly little sentences. You are doing great, and with practice your Gujarati will keep moving.
આગળ ધપાવવું.